G'day guys, it's Tim here. Firstly, sorry for being a little bit dark. Oscar saying hello to the people walking by. Just really wanted to get on and do a Facebook Live. Got up this morning and been checking out social and news media, and there's a lot of talk about today and its significance and whether it should or should not be what it is. And there's the thing that I really noticed, I guess, is there's just a lot of really polarising views, and I really just wanted to get on for a few minutes and just share my own personal views when it comes to Australia Day. I think primarily, Oscar, I think one of the things that we have to remember is that just like a person, there are things that we have in our past that we're not proud of, and things that we must own and things that we can't shy away of. But at the same time, while we've got to be respectful and own our past and be responsible for our past, the other thing that we must do as well is we must be responsible for all the great things that we have achieved. We have achieved so much. I mean, Australia is, it's a global leader. I mean, the world is a much better place than it was 50, 100 or 200 years ago. And not to really own and be responsible for the great things that we've achieved and to celebrate those great things would actually really be disrespectful to the millions of people from all different corners of the globe, from all different races, from all different countries that make up what it is, or what we call Australia. And I think the other thing is that while there is a lot of controversy around this particular issue, and I think it's good to mention that I think it's worthy that we debate these things. I mean, I'm not sure about what your personal experience is, but often when I come into a debate, whether it's this or anything else, I'll often be pretty clear that I have a view and that view is right. But through spirited debate and through being willing to listen to others, there's so much that can be learned. Like I said, the world is a much better place than what it was 50, 100 or 200 years ago. It's often very hard to stay present to that fact, primarily just because bad news sells. The media is so interested in, keeping fear in place and keeping us, I guess, focusing on the bad and not so much the good. Personally, I don't know about you, but like I said, while there's so much from our past that personally I'm not proud of, personally I wish had been different, there is so much great about this country. Personally, I'm proud to call myself an Australian. And today, regardless of what your views might be, which I respect your views, and like I said, I do think it is worthy of debate, today I'm going to celebrate all of it. Whether it's the bad, whether it's the good, the hard work, the sacrifice, the wisdom and the tolerance that has gone into building this great nation. It is something that I'm incredibly proud to be a part of, and personally I thank my lucky stars every single day that I was born and I get to live in this amazing country. So I'm proud to be an Australian. I hope you are too. Let's really celebrate all of our history, bad and good, today, and please have a fantastic Australia Day, and look forward to speaking to you again soon. Thanks guys, bye bye.